Hindi Learning YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the formation of words. In the last video we have seen matras. In the last couple of videos we have seen matras, that is kaka, kiki, kuku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Using those matras, how to make the word, how to form the word, because language to become the master in the language, we should know the basis properly. We should thorough ourselves. Words we have to thorough ourselves. Then making sentences is also very important. In that sense, I am going to teach you how to make the words, formation of words. See the very simple letter ka I have given. All the consonants I have taught already. I taught all the consonants to you. Even in the Tamil videos also very early, very old video, we have vowels and consonants. And in there are some new English videos also there where I have taught you consonants and vowels. Here I am going to tell you how to make the word. See, first we will take kaka, kiki, right? There are matras, okay? Let me write here. A matra, ka matra, okay? I have already told you kaka, kiki, kuku, kru. Just I write that. Kiki, kuku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. This one I am going to erase afterwards. Just for your understanding I am writing. Kaka, right? There are band of matras. Kaka, one matra, kiki, other matra, kuku, then only one letter, kru, then ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. In the pinch of salt I am going to take everything, one other one. First is ka. The ka sound I am going to write ka. I have added la. Now it has become kal. Now it has become kal. The same way you can make it ka also. If I make one line, it becomes ka. Ka plus la becomes kal. Okay. Next is cha. Next sound is a sound. For that I have taken the letter cha. Now you see cha I am writing one letter called va. If I add this becomes chav. Chav means interest. And I am going to add one more letter also here. This is a la letter. Now it has become cha, va, il, chaval. If there is the last letter is a va, then it will become chav. Now I have added one more letter, so it has become chaval. Chaval. Chaval means rice. Next is e sound. E sound. This e I have taken ka, cha, ta. Ta I have taken. So ti I make it one. I am just adding one letter la. This becomes a till. Till means sesame, ginger oil, from which it is taken. It is sesame. Okay, that is till. Till. Next li, e sound. For this I have taken the word la, lila. Lila. Just to find out this ka, kal, chaval, til, lila. Okay, I have not taken the same ka, same consonant ka I have not used. In every line I have taken from one other line, I have chosen some letters. Next is pu. This pu you can add il and become pul, bridge, or you can make it pustak. I write here pustak, you see, sa is, now it has become ta, now it is added by ka. Pustak. This is pustak. Okay, u sound. Next u sound. Jula, swing. Jula is swing. Leela is play of the Lord. Leela. Jula is swing. Okay. Next mr sound. Next becomes r sound. R is mr. When it is added with ma, mrga. Mrga means deer. Mrga is deer. Okay. Next is te, a sound, te. I have added la. It becomes last letter. So ill. Tail. Tail. Yes sound. Next taila. Taila. Taila also you can write. I will write taila. Taila means bag. Taila. See there are so many words. Leela. Taila. Jula. Right? Next so. O sound. I am going to add cha. I am going to add cha. It becomes soch. Soch means think. Okay. Mau. Ow sound. I have added ta. Mau becomes mouth. Mouth means death. Death, not this mouth. This is English mouth. This is Hindi mouth. Okay. Mouth. Next is sound. For sound, I have made kam. The pillar we say kamba. Kambam. Kamba. This is what? Kamba. 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 Okay. Then aha sound I made it maha. I say namaha. We join our hands and pray to the God. Say namaskar, namaste, namaha. That is what namaha. Okay. This is what making the words. You see. Say kra, kal, cha, chaval. E sound till. E sound leela. U sound pustak. U sound jula. R sound mriga. A sound tail. I sound taila. O sound soch. Ow sound mouth. Sound kambha. Aha sound namaha. So there are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 vowels which are used in different consonants, and we have seen the formation of words. Like this, we can make so many words, whether meaningful word, meaningless word, no issues. But making word is very important, and this is the first step into enter into making the sentence. Namaste. Dhanyavad.